Yeah, it's a great honor, the way the girls have played all through the tournament, and, the spirits were so high, and, the flag of Pakistan going up. It's a great feeling, and the girls are, in seventh heaven, and it's a great honor and it's a gift to our nation as the entire nation is celebrating Eid. So.
Indeed, a wonderful Eid present for the entire nation. Now, Aisha, what would you attribute, in your opinion, what would you attribute this triumph to?
Actually, I'm attributing this entire tournament to all the women of Pakistan, and it's especially the girls who've come into sports. Mm-hmm. The way the girls have played and kept their hand. It's going to bring in a lot of girls who are going to look at these girls and say, listen, we want to play cricket too. And, I'm very thankful to Mrs. Bushra Ehtezaz, the chairperson, and Mrs. Shireen Javed, the ex-chairperson, because without them, this team wouldn't be here.
Right. Now, Aisha, I'd like to ask you, in terms of ranking, where does Pakistan women's cricket team stand today, especially after this win at the Asian Games?
Actually, we are ranked number 8 in the world, but these Asian Games don't come under the ICC banner. They come under, and it's a very prestigious tournament after the Olympics. So basically, if you see, it's such a big tournament, and it's the first time that they have introduced cricket. And the way the girls have played, it's going to be a very long time. Cricket is going to be in the Asian Games, and it's the second biggest title anyone can ever win.
Right, and talk to us about the morale of your team. Of course, they must be in high spirits. Talk to us about how the girls are feeling.
The girls are in seventh heaven, the way they have played this tournament, and they're ecstatic, actually. It was like they came with a dream to win the Asian Games gold, and they have done it. And, when you achieve something like that, you never forget it for a very, very long time. So they're in great spirits. And now, actually, they're in fact having a lot of fun right now. And they're screaming and yelling as young girls always do. So it's a great feeling seeing them, being so happy.
Indeed, it is a great feeling. Thank you very much for joining us here at Express 24/7. Aisha Asher, manager of the Pakistan women's cricket team, talking to us about the great triumph and the gold medal attained by the women's cricket team.